You wake up, check your bank account, and somehow it's already almost empty, even though you just got paid a few days ago. Bills hit, groceries, maybe a small treat-yourself moment, and suddenly you're counting days till the next paycheck, thinking, where did it all go? My name's Marcus, and I spend way too much time thinking about how people build wealth, and, more importantly, why most people don't. If you're someone who feels stuck in this paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, no matter how hard you work, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Here's the thing. Most people think the problem is income. Look, sometimes it is, but according to data from the Federal Reserve, nearly 60% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, including people making over $100,000 a year. So clearly, this isn't just about how much you make. Here's what most people don't realize. It's about cash flow behavior. Let me show you. If you earn $4,000 a month and spend $3,900, you're broke. If you earn $2,500 and spend $2,000, you're building wealth. Same country, same economy, different outcomes. This is where it gets really interesting. The psychology. People don't spend based on needs, they spend based on identity. You think, I deserve this, or I worked hard, and that's where your future wealth quietly disappears. Now you might be thinking, okay, Marcus, so what do I actually do? First, create a 24-hour rule before any non-essential purchase. Second, automate savings, even if it's just $50 a week. Third, track every dollar for 30 days, not forever, just long enough to see the truth. It's like turning on the lights in a messy room. And finally, focus on increasing the gap between what you earn and what you spend, because that gap, that's your freedom. Look, escaping this cycle isn't about being perfect, it's about being intentional. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll be shocked how fast your life starts to change.